Please give us a brief introduction.
My name is Amit Prakash Naik. I am from Jaspur district of Odisha. I am currently pursuing my doctoral degree from Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, with collaboration of Indian Institute of Forest Management, Bhopal. I have completed my master degree in forestry from Indira Gandhi Agriculture University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, from ICAR, and my hobbies are wildlife photography, YouTube documentaries making, and article writing. And my achievements, I have qualified ICAR JRF and SRF also, and ASRB NET in agroforestry. And in 2018, I have qualified. I've been awarded by Young Naturalist Award by Century Nature Foundation. And in 2015, I have also awarded by RMNH in the field of in the Flora and Fauna Identification Program in the Conservation Prize category. This is all about me, sir.
Okay, good. So you have qualified JRF and SRF.
Yes, sir.
SRF you have got very good rank. So and you are doing your PhD also.
Yes, sir.
From a very good institute. So you could have chosen research or academia. You give me some very good reasons. Why are you interested in coming into this administration where it will be like routine type of work and you know? So what are the reasons why you are interested?
Sir, starting from my graduation, I have keen interest in forest and wildlife. And in 2017, I have appeared the Wildlife Institute of India exam and also qualified there. But unfortunately, I am in waiting list, but not cracked that exam. And in the same year, after 1 month, I have qualified the ICAR JRF and allotted Chhattisgarh for my master degree program. Then, sir, I have due to this interest in this forest and wildlife field, I am very much want to go for this academic service or in forest administrative service, sir. Sir, and starting from 2018, I am working in the Central India landscape in regime topic that is related to the livelihood improvement, so that I can use this academic knowledge to this administrative thing, so that we can improve the livelihood improvement of the tribals, those are residing in the forest fringes. And sir, I have never appeared other exams; those are associated with our for agriculture and forestry field like NABARD and banking service. I have never tried this. I have keen interest in either in forest academics line or in forest administrative line, sir.
That is what I am asking, because in academics you have a very good future because you have got research and all you are doing.
Yes, sir.
So in that line you can help the nation also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But your scope will become very limited once you come to administration, especially for innovation, because administration runs in a particular way and very little scope of innovation is there, at least at the level in which you will join. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is it. Okay, that is fine. Which is your home district?
Sir, Jaspur.
Jajpur is
Yes,
your
sir.
home district. Can you tell me the origin of the name of Jajpur?
Sir, Jaspur district was named after our ancient king Jajati Kesari, who was the Somavamsi king in the 10th century. And due to commemorate his name, the city of Jaspur was named after him, sir.
Okay. He was from which dynasty?
Sir, Somavamsi dynasty.
Any famous temples they have built?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall it.
Who built the Lingaraj temple?
Sir, Jajati Kesari.
Okay, just check that. And Jajpur is very famous for one particular temple. Which temple?
Ma Biraja temple, sir. It is also known as Biraja Khetra.
Okay. So 10th you have passed from SSVM. What is SSVM?
Sir, Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Mangalpur.
Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, you have passed your 10th standard. And then 12th RCTA?
Sir, Royal College of Science and Technology, Manchester, sir, Bhubaneswar.
That is plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Then plus 3 you have done from OUAT.
Yes, sir.
And your graduation you have done from IGKB. And also PhD you are doing there, collaboration with IIF.
It's under Ministry of Environment, sir.
Okay. that is because you got the SRF?
No, sir. Our institution have MOU with different reputed institute like Bhabha Atomic Research Center. In forestry field, we have MOU with Indian Institute of Forest Management and Central Agroforest Research Institute. So from that MOU, I am attached with IIFM Bhopal, sir.
So for the last 5 years, if you see,
Yes, sir.
you have stayed in Chhattisgarh
Yes, sir.
and Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me something about your forest resources of your district, Jajpur.
Sir, actually, if you see the FSI Forest Survey of India report, the forest cover in our district is about 308 square kilometer, which is about 10% of total geographical area of Jajpur, sir. Sir, usually our district have a more mining dominated area, and we have many steel plants are there. So that area is not only rich in mineral resources but also in different forest resources. In our area, the dominant tree species are, sir, Anacardium occidentalis, because in this mining belt area there is a huge amount of laterite soils are there, and this Anacardium occidentalis is a major dominating species in our area. Besides this tree outside forest, we have Largistomia speciosa, Largistomia parviflora. So these are other species, but dominant species is, sir, Anacardium occidentalis, which also provide a source of income to the communities, sir, forest dependent communities. Sir.
Okay. So what are then the major non-forest produce from your district? Non-timber forest produce?
Sir, major non-timber forest produce in our state, sir, this is the cashew. This cashew is one of the two products are derived from this cashew. One is the cashew nut shell liquids and the raw cashew, which we can use this for this kaju making, sir. And others, sir, we have some lakh horse trees, and some persons, some people are involved in this lakh making in our state, sir. So these are two major things. Besides this, some other minor forest products are there. That is not so commercial, sir.
Okay. So you studied in Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir for how many years?
Sir, 10 years, sir.
Standard 1 to standard 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me about the motto of Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir and the insignia, and what is written in the insignia of your school.
Sorry, sir.
Say that please. Okay. So what are the major differences that you find in your school, that is Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, and let's say other public schools or other government and non-government schools?
Sir, we have a positive kind of attitude, means we have during our school life we are able to get about the different Hindu mythology, Hindu culture, different Sanskrit slokas, that in government schools it is not such promoted, but in our Shishu Mandirs we are able to know different Hindu mythology things, sir. So that is a spiritual and a positive thing for me, sir.
Okay. So same thing about your other institutions.
Yes, sir.
Insignia or the motto da seta ke bhalar likhide.
Yes, sir. Again.
Seta ta apne questions asibal. So without going to the year of birth, your date and month of birth is 30th of March, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the significance of 30th of March? Any great event that happened on that day? Any great personalities who are born on that day? Or any death anniversary of any great personality on that day?
Sorry, sir, I am not ready about that.
Interview ko din achi?
Sir, 3rd of September, sir.
First day?
Again.
So say it again, September 3rd.
Again.
Importance of September 3rd.
Again.
Why say date on international aid day, say date on
Again.
okay, say that देखिए plus सेठी किए great लोगों born नहीं थे
Again.
तार जो death anniversary थी उसे बात देखिए जो भी अपन पावन थी मत जाने के रुमान को पहले
Again, sir.
Okay. In sports extracurricular activities, you have given wildlife photography.
Yes, sir.
So, like what you use professional camera?
No, sir. I have basic SLR camera, Nikon P610, sir, model. I have been used for last 5 years, sir, in that camera.
Wildlife photography.
Yes,
so,
sir.
what is which according to you is the best picture you have taken of wildlife?
Sir, in central India, I have captured many terrestrial and birds of prey. During while I am studying in OUT, I have also participated in different census activities and dolphin census, bird annual waterfall census in Chilica, and there I have captured many sorts of water birds also. And in terrestrial area, I am here in Chhattisgarh and MP. I have also captured some wild animals like mammals and other birds, sir. And also, sir, Century Nature Foundation awarded me for this photography category, sir.
Okay. So, do we find in Odisha dolphins?
Yes, sir.
Which part?
Sir, in Chilika is Iraburi dolphin, sir.
Irrawaddy dolphins. What is Irrawaddy?
So Irrawaddy is a river in Myanmar. That's why it's known as Irrawaddy.
Okay. So, YouTube vlogging,
Sir, I have a channel on YouTube. In that channel, I made different videos related to forest trees. When I was in forest or in for a research work, I have documented. First, I identified the trees, and from that, I have a field book known as Jungle Trees of Central India. From that, I collect the materials and make videos on this, and edited it and posted it into YouTube. So I have a channel. There I posted different trees of Central India and also from Odisha, sir.
okay. So this wildlife photography.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever you have learned from wildlife photography.
Yes, sir.
So what are the qualities or the positives that you have learned from wildlife photography, and how those qualities you will use in your career as an administrative officer?
Sir, in wildlife photography, one basic thing is patience. Sir, for capturing any wild animal peak, you have to wait for 1 to 2 hours. Or during the night time, it also take more than 3-4 hours to capture a peak. Like Indian nightjar, it is a bird that is found in this ground, and for capturing this bird in your frame, it will take more than 2 to 3 hours for getting a best shot. So this patience I can implement in my field, because if you wait for something, you can get some good result or good result. So that things I can disseminate to my field work, sir.
Okay. And same thing about YouTube vlogging. What have you learned in YouTube vlogging? What are the qualities which you have learned, and which you will implement in your career?
Yes, sir. Sir, if I am selected in this forest service, sir, if I am posted in my division, then I will make a interpretation center of different flora and fauna. I will document all the tree species of my division or my range, so that it can provide a source of information to the tourist as for the ecotourism purpose, and for research purpose to this forest research scholars and others for higher authorities, sir. So I will document a video and prepare an interpretation center for this, sir.
Third hobby you have given, documentaries and article writing.
Yes, sir.
So what you have, like you have produced documentaries or what you have made documentaries?
Sorry, that is YouTube documentary, sir. So article writing, I have research papers related to my field. So that is my one of.
Published in
Yes, sir.
journals?
International journals, yes, sir.
How many papers?
Sir, I have till now I have 7 research papers, 2 book chapters, sir.
2 book chapters.
Yes, sir.
Very- But you have not joined anywhere as an assistant professor.
No, sir, no, sir.
You want to. When did you start your PhD?
Sir, 2019, when I finished my MSc, immediately I got from seat from ICAR and allotted the same university, the same IGKV.
Okay. So what is the average duration for the PhD?
Sir, in our institution, it's 3 years, sir.
3 years.
I mean, sir, now in 5th semester, sir.
Okay. So like in 2021, 22 you will complete.
Yes, sir.
So suppose now you are selected here,
Ji sir.
then how will that be affected?
No sir, that will not be affected. I will take the extension. We have 5 years, total 5 year duration. You have to complete your PhD degree in 5 years. So if I am selected and go to the training, then later I will join it, sir. I will complete my PhD, sir.
Okay, but you have to complete 3 years in campus.
No sir, no, sir. You have to complete coursework there. 1 year is coursework that I have already completed. And now I am involved in research through IIFM at Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve.
So these are all related to your domain and article writing. Extracurricular activities like NCC or sports.
No
you
sir,
are not
no sir,
interested.
no sir.
Okay. Now suppose the government wants to rename your College of Forestry
Yes sir.
in the name of some great scientist who has done some very important work in the field of forestry,
Yes sir.
preferably from Odisha.
Huh.
So, and if they ask you for a suggestion, whose name will you propose and why?
So can I take some time?
Yes, you can think about it. Or even if not forestry, then even some great agricultural scientist, preferably from Odisha.
Sir, I will suggest the name of late Sri Padma Shri Sarojara Chaudhary. He was the first field director of Similpal Tiger Reserve and who developed the first POGMAR census technique for estimation of tiger population.
So recently we had a forest fire in Shimlipal.
Yes sir.
So can you tell me what are the general methods of preventing forest fire? And in case we are in a situation where a forest fire has started, so
Yes,
how can it be stopped? And why we were not able to stop the forest fire at Shimlipal? What were the lacuna, if you can tell me?
Sir, in Similpal, the reason behind the forest fire is human induced. So because this fire season is in summer and the NTFP collectors, especially the Mohua collectors, those collected the Mohua, the Maduka indica, and they created a circular method of firing below the tree, and they collect the Mohua flowers. Because in the clear ground you can easily collect the Mohua, and that fire is continuously spread into the forest. And in Similpal, due to this hilly undulating topography, it is very difficult to control the forest fire because we can't bring the fire brigadier to reduce the fire incidents. One thing you can done, sir, before the summer season, during the month of January to February, you can use this fire break, means creating a line, artificial line by separating this leaves from one side to another. And curative measure, now different technologies are used, like we have MODIS satellite, MODIS, and this is a collaboration of ISRO and NASA, and also we have sensors like SNPP and BIRS sensor. So it regularly monitoring the forest fire across the globe. So and immediately this fire alert system is developed, and immediately message is delivered to beat the forest guards, forest rangers, as well as DF also. So in this technology we can control the forest fire. And another thing that I have practically saw this in this Amarkantak, so this counter fire mechanism, we can easily reduce the fire by counter firing. Suppose if from one side this fire is there and you can set fire another side, and that fire will collapse at one place, and this fire can be beaten off. In this way we can control the forest fire, sir.
So in your district, Jajpur,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me something about the geography of your district, like important rivers and mountains or mountain hills and all.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about that.
Sir, Jajpur is surrounded by in north side Bhadrak, and from west side there is Dhenkanal, and in south it is surrounded by Cuttack, and east it is surrounded by Kendrapada. Sir, in major river system we have the Baitarani river system that is originated from Gonasika of Keonjhar, and Baitarani, and then Brahmani, Kharasua. This is a major river system of our district, sir.
Okay, fine. And tell me something about the issues that your district faces. Not general issues, but specific issues which your district faces. And if given an opportunity, what solutions do you propose for that?
Sir, one major issue in our district is, sir, the pollution, because this Jaspur road area, that is the Sukinda and Kalinganagar area, is dominated by major such steel industry like Mesco, Jindal, then Tata Steel. And in that area this pollution level is too high, the particulate matter concentration is too high, and another is the dumping out of this mining waste that create artificial hills in that area, and it reduce the air quality, and it also create different respiratory problems like asthma. So these are the some major problems in our area. And besides this, sir, railway connection, sir. Sir, we have railway connection to the Jaspur road, where there is a dominating mining area, but not to the Jaspur town. In Jaspur town, all the district headquarters are situated in Jaspur town, but all the industrial hub is in Jaspur road, sir. So one is this is one of the issues, sir, to connect the railway network, sir.
Okay. Right. So, what about the agricultural scenario in your district? What are the major crops that are grown there, and the soil type basically?
Sir, the dominant soil type in our area is, sir, alluvial soil, because we have Baitarani river system, and this groundnut is one of the major, not major, in the alluvial plains this groundnuts are also cultivated. Besides this, we have rice grown area. We have both Kharif and Rabi rice are grown there, and also this pulses like Moong, Biri, the Bhigna radiata, Bhigna Mugo are the dominating pulses, sir. Usually rice dominated, sir.
So, generally in a state, who is the highest ranking forest service officer?
Sir, PCCF, the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, or HOF, Head of Forest Force.
Okay, so do you know currently in Odisha who is the
Yes, sir.
PCCF?
Sri Sisir Kumar Ratho, sir.
Okay, so you are giving the interview for Assistant Conservator of Forest.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about the career progression of this particular? Suppose you are selected as ACF.
Yes, sir.
Then like what is the next post you will go to, and what is the career progression? What would be the maximum position that you can reach?
Sir, initially if I posted in ACF, after 6 to 7 years, it can be promoted to the DCF, or it is known as DCF or DFO, the Divisional Forest Officer or Deputy Conservator Forest. Then, sir, after certain time, 10 to 15 years, you can promote it to, sir, CCF rank. Up to CCF rank, you can promote it, the Chief Conservator Forest. It may be of different wing like territorial, wildlife, Kentuleaf. This is, sir.
Okay. So that is CCF is the highest?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And is there any scope of promotion to IFS?
Yes, sir. There is certain increment exam was conducted, and some quality, some time is taken to designated as IFS, sir, from OFS to IFS, sir.
You are also preparing, have you also given the IFS?
No, sir, no, sir, not even, sir. I was prepared during while preparing for this OFS. Simultaneously, I am preparing for IFS, and but after qualifying this PhD exam, I am unable to get some time to prepare for this, sir. I am purely involved in, sir, research and academic lines, and now.
Okay. Since both the lines are open to you, how do you compare the academia with administration? What are the different challenges in both these areas? And from that point of view, since both these are open according to your qualification and achievements, suppose you are getting an assistant professor
Yes, sir.
position in a central university or one of the premier forest training institutes or universities of India.
Yes,
And
sir.
you are also getting into SCF. Which one did you choose and why?
Sir, I will choose, sir, ACF, sir.
You choose SCF.
Because mostly I'm very much interested to stay in the forest, stay with nature. So that's why I select ACF, sir.
Okay, fine. So, tell me something about at least one or two methods of natural regeneration of forests and artificial regeneration of forests.
Sir, in natural regeneration, we can first is the seed. There is certain trees; those are produce annual seeds in every year, and certain 2 to 3 years after these are different good seed years. It's vary from species to species. Another is the root suckers. The root suckers are produced by Diosporius melanoxylon and Boswellia serrata, and also coppice, sir. So Tendu is a best coppice, is known as best coppice for just making a BD. And this is a natural method of propagation, and for vegetative we can go for grafting, layering, budding. But sir, the rate of success is in vegetative propagation, the success rate is little bit lower as compared to natural, sir. We have to add some growth promoting substance IBA, NAA. That is a costly procedure, sir.
Okay. So suppose you are selected an ACF and wherever you are posted, you
Yes,
come
sir.
to know that there is a nexus between your subordinate staff and the poachers, okay, the hunters and all,
Yes, sir.
in selling these parts of the animals and all. So they are very powerful people and also very dangerous. There are one and all. So once you come to know about this, what steps will you take?
Sir, initially I will take first go to the sir in poaching activity, sir, or in timber, sir.
No, poaching,
Animal poaching, sir.
animal poaching.
Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, for first I will interrogate into the matter. If I found any suspects, those are involved from our department, those are involved in our in this poaching or in smuggling activity. First I should inform my higher authority like DFO and CCF, sir, to provide me the permission to get into this matter, and if I get the permission to arrest them or for further proceeding, and I will first write a panchanama. This is known as panchanama, sir, in this is writing regarding this poaching activity. Then I will proceed it to for the court for the legal matter, sir, for legal activities, sir.
Okay, so that will be fine. That will be the end of the interview.
Thank you, sir.
तो आपनकर आंसर अपन ठीक दोछे दी तीनटा जिनस अपन देखिए अपन गोटे हला आज आई कांटेक्ट आपनकर अराउंड 78% थियो मतलब 90 आउट 100% ही रहबा କଥା आई कांटेक्ट
सर मैंने कैमरा को
ना कैमरा नहीं जे पचारिबे क्वेश्चन ताको 80% टाइम देखिबे ताका संगे भी दी जण बसते ताको मजूर मिले ताका आखि भी देखते बट लाइन ऑफ साइट इन द इंटरव्यू विल ओनली विद द आईज ठीक है सेम बंदे अपन को न देखबे से तमरो कॉफी पीउथिबे कोन करते आपनकर डीएफ को देखुथिबे बट यू लुक एट देयर आईज अपन ताका आखि भी
ओके ओके सर
ठीक है नंबर 1 सेकंड अपन को हेड मूवमेंट और हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत होछ ठीक है तो सिटिंग पोजीशन हला अपन हाथटा नी ऊपर रखिबे आंटू ऊपर रखिबे तो सेटा लॉक हेके रहइबो सेटा मूव करिबो ठीक है
सर किसी एक्सप्लेन करिया टाइम रे किसी हमने मूवमेंट रहइबो
सेटा एक्चुअली कोन कि नॉर्मली हेई जाय सबकॉन्शियस स्टेट रे पर सेटा हम चेष्टा करें कि न हो
करिबिन सेटा सर
जिते मिनिमम के सेटा अपन तो जानि नहीं करनो तो सबकॉन्शियस स्टेट रे होछ सेटा बहुत ताको और देखाइबो होछ सेटा अपन जेतरा हाथटा मूव करी कथा होछ राइट
आज्ञा
तो सेटा गोटे एगी टेंस कंटेंट वाइज क्वाइट गुड तेनो किछि कंटेंट वाइज मते किछि असुविधा नहीं ओके तो सेटा हमरा आपनकर नेक्स्ट 5:30 रे अछि
आज्ञा
तो आपनकर भी फर्स्ट डे रे अछि
आज्ञा
ओके तो मु से हिसाब रे आपनकर वेडनेसडे आउ 3 डेज दरकार दीदी का इंटरव्यू है वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे तो अपन सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम थी
नहीं सर एआरएस अच्छे दिन एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट सेम डे पड़ी आज्ञा फॉरेस्ट्री पिलांग पई से दिन सर मतलब कंफ्यूजन माने कौन देबे एआरएस देबे कि
एआरएस तक कौन सा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट
नहीं सर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट रो एएसआरबी गेस
पहले फ्राइडे टा शेड्यूल
आज्ञा
तो वेडनेसडे थर्सडे सैटरडे
आज्ञा
ठीक अछि मु सेम स्लॉट्स दे दउ छ
आज्ञा
10:30 और 5:30
सर अब टिके शीघ्र ही परियो कि माने हां आज्ञा
तो पहले खाली अच्छा 5:30 6:30
संध्या बेले मॉर्निंग
मॉर्निंग रे
आगे मॉर्निंग मैंने 10:30
8 में 8 एम रो आंको
नहीं सर आगे मैं 10:30 11 मैंने एबे जो आसुजी आ पक्का
अच्छा 10:30 रे काली स्लॉट अछि किंतु 11:30 12 तो फील्ड ऑफ दी
आगे
कुछ अच्छा काली पाई मु 10:30 और 12:30 टा कि 11 और 12:30 दे दउ
आगे
11 और 12:30 ठीक अछि तापरे काली और पर दिन में केना सेटा 12 स्लॉट का बुक अछि ऑलरेडी
आगे
आ फ्राइडे 27 होला 28 दिन मु आपनकर 11 और 12
आगे आगे
अपन लिखि दम
सर सर पीडीएफ टा जो को इंटरव्यू को दिन हम माने नहीं सर नहीं सेटा
तो व्हाट्सएप कर दे मते
आगे
मु सेटा पठे दे तो काली आपनकर रहि जिवो 11 और 12:30 काली और परदिन परदिन काली रही 11 और 12:30 परदिन अपन 11:30 12:30 रखन तब अपन वेट कम करे आगे 11:30 और 12:30 अपन रख और 27th ऑफ रहेगा 28th रे अपना 11 और 12 रखिए 28th रे सैटरडे शटडाउन अछि बट हमर एटी रहइबो कोला से 11 और 12 है हम आपको व्हाट्सएप भी कर आउट से जस्ट चेक कर दूं काली 25th 11 और 12:30 ओके तापर 26 आपनकर 11:30 और 12:30 28 11 और 12 ओके 29:30 आपनकर ऑफ रहबो 29:30 टा सॉरी 29 टा संडे तो से दिन आपनकर माने आपन तो सॉरी एथिबो नहीं आपनकर कितने दिन अच्छा 3 दिन है ना ना 4 दिन है
3 दिन
1 2 3
आज 8 आज
अच्छा ताले सेम टा आपण संडे रो रख दियो 29 टा सेटा भी 11 और 12 तो 8 इंटरव्यूज आपनकर कंप्लीट हो गला तो 30th और 31st सीटा टाइम मु कहि देबन बट दैट विल बी 3 pm टू 7 pm
ठीक है
हैला ए 4 आवर्स आपण फ्री रखिबे ता भीतर कोन से आपन पड़िबो से दिटा आपण पैनल रहइबो आपण से पैनल इंटरव्यू 3 pm टू 7
सेटा भी 30 मिनिट्स ड्यूरेशन
सब 30 मिनिट्स मैं सेति पई सेतिरे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं सेति पई अल्प बिटा मैं अकोमोडेट कर छोड़ दे देबो सो सेटा आपण कर सेटा ता टाइमिंग ता अलगा रहइबो सेटा अलगा इन्फॉर्म कर बट आपण ए 30 और 31 दिन फ्री रखे 4 PM to 7 PM
ठीक
এই স্লটটা ফ্রি রখে তার ভিতরে এনি হাফ অ্যান আওয়ার ইউ উইল গোটে কি দিন आपको মো ইনফর্ম করবে 30 और 31 मंडे और ट्यूसडे ओके
सर गोटे जिन सर जी मैंने सेठी बोले बीएससी जाए तो सर सर्टिफिकेट नामक कहते ताको छाड़ी कि एमएससी और पीएचडी और सेठी
ना ना से माने नेबेनी
और हॉबीज रो भी किछि नबा
से माने खाली जोड़ा कि एसेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स दरकार से आगु से जोड़ा इंटरव्यू रूम को नहीं की जरूरत बट एबे किछि
नबार नहीं
आप से ना अलग भी करेंगे कि किछि न इंटरव्यू एटा खाली ता पाखे थिबो इंटरव्यू बोर्ड में से लगे एटा पर थिबो तो एथरे जहाँ अपन ठीक हो छे जहाँ लिंक ठीक हो छे बेसिक कुछ नहीं कर रहा से जो खाली गोटे इंसो कर से जो अपन अचीवमेंट्स पूरा दिछंती से पूरा एक साथ लागि जेछि थोड़ी नंबरिंग कर वन साइडेड टू 4 5 ओके सेरा ना पांचटा तारे से जणा पड़ला
अच्छा
पांचटा अछि
आई
नंबरिंग जस्ट कर बाकी सब ठीक है अपन प्रोफाइल भी बहुत इंप्रेसिव अछि और रिटर्न केमती हेछि
बोल रहे थे सर
अपन सिविल सर्विस तो ना खाली
फॉर से ठीक सेट वाले प्रिपरेशन करतली एमएससी टाइम में ताते पीएचडी ना
और लोके टाइम
पर आओ
माने ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस भी तो
ना
मोस्टली तो इतर अपन पूरा हेज वो भलो अपन पर्सनालिटी जो सब भी अछि बोलो तापर अपन सरस्वती शिशु मंदिर स्टूडेंट तो वी विल ट्रैवल बेस्ट ठीक है तो हम टाइम दे देबे से हिसाब से अपना सबको ये करेंगे
आज से 5:30 टा
हां जी 5
आगे
बाकी तो लेकिन
सर माने 5:30 टा जो हवा सेटा को माने को टॉपिक रे
सेकंड टा हमर कहि दे फर्स्ट एटा आइस ब्रेकिंग इंटरव्यू एटा जो फॉर्मूला एटा माने ओवरऑल अपन स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस टा जानिए पे तो सेटा मतलब थोड़ा आईडिया आसी गला सेकंड इंटरव्यू इज ऑन बायोडाटा पेज 1 फर्स्ट पेज में जहां जहां अपने को इंसिग्निया का पछाली सेटा पुनी अदर फैक्टर का पछाली सेटा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट आपनकर डेट ऑफ बर्थ रो इंपोर्टेंस आपनकर ए जहां पेज 1 रे जहां जहां अछि ता ऊपर किछि भी पछाले
जी सर
आउ काली जोटा थर्ड इंटरव्यू इज अबाउट सेकंड पेज ऑफ द बायोडाटा उधर मेनली अचीवमेंट्स और हॉबीज आपनकर आउ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस आपनकर नहीं तो वो अचीवमेंट्स और हॉबीज होछि आउ थर्ड इंटरव्यू फोर्थ और फिफ्थ है ऑप्शनल 1 ऑप्शनल 2 एग्रीकल्चर को दिन फॉरेस्ट को दिन सेटा पांचटा वाला 6th नंबर इंटरव्यू है आपनकर करंट अफेयर्स लेजिस्लेशन फॉरेस्ट लेजिस्लेशन एंड करंट अफेयर्स रिलेटेड टू फॉरेस्ट्री एग्रीकल्चर फॉरेस्ट रिलेटेड फॉरेस्ट सर्विस रिलेटेड सेटा है नंबर 6 7th है आपनकर स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू मु पठे भी सेटा पीडीएफ रे से करती स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू और 8th है ओवरऑल इंटरनल इंटरव्यू 9th 10th है पैनल इंटरव्यू
पैनल भी सर अपन रही
मु रही मु क्वेश्चंस पचारे पैनल तो जो माने मार्क्स दे से माने क्वेश्चन
आगे
सो प्राय हम तीन जने बोर्ड हुए तो दे विल बी आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस सो थरे आपनकर से आईएफएस ओएफएस ऑफिसर्स अपन गोपबंधु एकेडमी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फॉरेस्ट्री इंस्टीट्यूट मे बी से सर टाइम दे नथि बट जल्दी से टाइम देले ताले मंडे दिन गोटे से गोटे क्लास नेबे बोली कहछु तो सेटा समस्त को इन्फॉर्म करा ही जो तो यू कैन कम एंड अटेंड दैट क्लास कि आप जहां भी डाउट्स अपन को अछि तो वो सर को पूछो ओके अपन भी ये टच दीजिए वाला सेतर गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और लिस्ट दीजिए तेनु सेटा अपन को मिरर इंटरव्यू रे प्रैक्टिस करया पे पड़ियो से जो क्वेश्चंस ला देछि तार अपन कोन आंसर देबे भाबी कि लेखि के आंसर इफ यू वांट मते देखि ही देबे तो सेटा प्रैक्टिस रिपीटेडली प्रैक्टिस करिया अछि मिरर सर कहीं जहां क्वेश्चंस पड़ियो 70% तारी भीतर पड़ियो
ठीक है सर
26 ଅଛି 30 ରନ୍ 26ଟା ଅଛି
26ଟା ଅଛି।
ଦେଇଦେବି ଯେଉଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆସିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଟୋଟାଲ୍ 26ଟା 3 ଜଣ ବସିଲେ ଡାକିଦେବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଏବେ ବେକାର ଅଛି
3 ଜଣ ବସିଲେଣି କାହିଁକି?
ଆପଣ ଡେରିରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ये ହେଲା ଆଜି କ'ଣ 24 ସାଗର ରହିଯାଇଛି ଅମିତ କଲା ଅନୁକୂଳ ନେକ୍ସଟ ସେଟା ଅନୁକୂଳ କର ତାପରେ ଅମିତ ଶୁଭ୍ରଜିତ କର
ତାପରେ ସେ ଝିଅ ବର୍ଷା ବର୍ଷା
ବାରଟା ବେଳେ ଅଛି।
ଓହୋ
ଓହୋ
ଆପଣ ଡେରିରେ ଆସିଲେ ନା